This is the first A1 German course for beginners. If you're a complete beginner and you don't know very much or any German at all, then this course is for you. It's completely free. You don't have to sign up. You just go through lesson by lesson, complete the interactive exercises, watch the videos, learn the material, and learn German. So there's going to be videos for each lesson. There's 10 modules and 63 lessons. This is a full German course. So you should be pretty fluent in A1 German and have basic German speaking skills by the end. And this can help you a lot if you want to skip the first year language requirement at the university, or if you're living in Germany and just want to start learning German for free, this is the best way. You'll want to just start with lesson 1 and greetings and introductions and work your way through. And notice beneath all of the modules on this page are course materials. So I have A1 German vocabulary, verb conjugation reference sheets, a grammar workbook, and German cheat sheets. These are all free. You just download them and open them up. I will be your German teacher for this course. My name is Alexandra. I studied German at the University of Oregon and I graduated in 2009. I lived in Germany and worked there for 12 years. Then I lived in Spain and the Canary Islands for 5 years. Now I'm back in the US and today I'm teaching you German. I look forward to guiding you through this A1 German course. I'm completely fluent in German and hope you enjoy this course, and I'll see you in the first lesson.